Hey GTA, welcome to LSV Weekly, your playbook for living smarter, greener, and a little more inspired. This week, we're uncovering hidden green escapes across the GTA, rethinking how to eat pizza, yes, pizza, the smart way, and zooming in on the Bridle Path's latest market trends. Let's get into it. First up, lace up and step out. From the charm of the distillery district to the lakeside energy of Port Credit, these are the places where daily life meets daily movement. Walkable streets, cozy cafes, weekend markets, we're ranking the top 10 walkable neighborhoods in the GTA. Number 10. The Junction, Toronto. Industrial charm meets indie spirit. Great food, vintage shops, and weekend vibes that stretch into Sunday night. Number 9. Streetsville, Mississauga. Historic Main Street energy with walkable cafes, bakeries, and community festivals that make it feel like a small town inside a big city. Number 8. Downtown Oakville. Boutique shops, cobblestone-style streets, and lakefront sunsets, one of the GTA's most elegant walking districts. Find out which neighborhood landed the number 1 spot. The full-ranked episode is now streaming at lifestylevideos.com. Next up, pizza. Yes, you can enjoy it whether you're cutting carbs or counting macros. Today, we're breaking down how to eat pizza smarter so it fits your lifestyle, no matter your fitness goals.
Pizza is one of the forbidden foods that a lot of people are not really interested in having. People who are looking to lose weight are kind of always worried about having it and they're nervous. People trying to gain weight kind of love it. I'm here to talk to you about the two different avenues. If you're trying to lose weight or gain weight, just talk about losing weight. You're looking to lose weight. The most important thing you want to look for is the grain of the pizza. Is it a whole grain pizza? Is it a white bleached pizza? Is it the dough this thick? Is it a thin crusted one? Make sure you're asking your waiter or the person making it to have thin whole grain pizza throughout. You want to make sure that's got your tomato sauce on it. And in terms of the toppings that are going to be going on it, you can have as much vegetables as you like. The cheese, obviously go with a lower fat cheese if possible. And in terms of adding some protein to balance off the meal.
Guilt-free, balanced, and delicious. We've got the nutrition tips and portion tricks to keep your pizza nights on track. Catch the full segment and recipe breakdown at lifestylevideos.com. Now let's shift gears to Toronto's most exclusive address, the Bridle Path. Over the last 30 days, this luxury pocket has seen stable prices and quieter inventory, but serious buyers are circling.
What's up, GTA? It's time for your daily market snap. Today, the prestigious Bridle Path is in spotlight. Let's take a look at the past 30 days. For single-family homes, we're seeing number of sold listings are up, but so are days on market. The average sold price has risen to $4,530,000. What about condos and condo towns? Sold listings have held at 1, and properties are taking more time to find buyers. The average condo price has also risen to $3,100,000.
For daily updates, tune into our LSV Daily Snapshot or explore Real Estate Rewired, our original docuseries breaking down the stories behind the stats, streaming now on lifestylevideos.com. And that's your LSV Weekly, where smarter living meets everyday life. From morning walks to market insights, we've got your week covered. Subscribe, share, and explore every story at lifestylevideos.com because smarter living starts here every week.